A funny story. The Shopkeeper. Listen, read, and enjoy it.
The Shopkeeper. Once there was a Javanese shopkeeper named Mr. Jawo. He lived in Surabaya, and had had a small corner store for 45 years. He worked very hard, 16 hours every day, and he never took a holiday. One day, his daughter arrived at the store, and found Mr. Jawo lying on the floor. He had had a heart attack. She called 911, and he was rushed to the hospital. He survived, and was very weak, resting in the hospital. A day later he awoke, and slowly looked around his hospital room. He asked in a weak voice, "Are you there, my dear wife?" "Yes," she replied, "I am here, my dearest." Mr. Jawo asked, "Are you here, my oldest son?" "Yes, I am here," replied his oldest son. "Are you here, my daughter?" Mr. Jawo asked in a faint voice. "Yes, father, I am here," the daughter replied with a tear in her eye. "Are you here, my youngest son?" asked Mr. Jawo. "Yes, papa. I am here by your side," said the baby of the family. Suddenly Mr. Jawo's eyes grew big, and threw off the bed covers and jumped up, screaming. So then, who is watching the store?
Don't forget. Like and subscribe.